Hello everyone. With this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to set up and use a journal. We're going to be using this as a learning journal. In other words, what you're going to do is explain to me what you learned this week. This could be from the readings of our textbooks, the exercises that you've performed, the websites that you've viewed, the software that you've tested and played with. So there will be weekly activities that you'll be doing, and most of them are obviously there will be learning that has occurred. So that's what this journal is about. For every week, you're going to post a journal entry and simply explaining to me what you learned for that week. So this gives me a good basis of that you do understand these topics, because some of them get fairly complex and complicated when we think of how some of the multimedia concepts of how the brain actually takes in and processes information. So let's get started on creating your journal first. So there is a menu item here, Personal Learning Journal. So you will click that. You will click into Personal Learning Journal. From here, you're going to create your journal entry. For the first week, you will title it simply Week 1. What I learned this week, and then type in a paragraph or so and explain what you learned this week. And it's as simple as that. So then you will post the entry. And that's all there is to it. There's week 1, what I learned this week. And then I will be able to make comments if I think you need a little bit further explanation, or if I see that you need a little more depth of your explanation. Those are the kind of comments that I will make. So I'm going to cancel that for now. So that'll be at the end of the first week. For the end of the second week, you simply come up, create another journal entry, title it Week 2, and then what you want to say that week. So now when you post the entry, you will have the 2 entries that you've had so far, and then of course I will comment. So there again, the key on this is, because this is a distance learning and online learning, virtual learning, and we don't have direct contact, this gives us a way to communicate that you do understand what the activities are and what you're supposed to be learning, and I have a good feeling that you are getting it. And that's the reason for this journal. So what you will end up with is approximately 14 to 15 journal entries. Kind of depends on how the semester goes and some of the holidays that we might have. Okay, so that's how to set up and use your personal learning journal that we will use this semester.